Hello children, we've done 7.2 but we did questions only up till number 10. So now we'll be completing question number 11 to 15. Starting with question number 11. A mixture of 25 kilograms. So there is a mixture and the total weight of that mixture is 25 kilogram. It contains 2.5 kilograms of A, like whatever is A, the weight is 2.5, 4.8 kilograms of B and the rest is C. You have to find the percentage of C in the mixture. So, say this is a mixture divided in A, B and C. We know the weight of A, we know the weight of B, but we do not know the weight of C. Let's see the solution. Number 11. Total weight of the mixture 25 kilograms. Weight of A given as 2.5 kg. Weight of B given as 4.8 kilograms. So now in order to find weight of C, from the total weight, we'll subtract the weight of A as well as the weight of B and we'll get to know the weight of C, 17.7 kilograms. Now the question is to find the percentage of the weight of C. So to find the percentage of C, the weight of C upon the total weight multiplied by 100. Now for the cutting part, 25 1 and 25 4. 17.7 multiplied by 4 is 70.8 kilograms. Question number 12. In an examination, 70% students passed the examination. Later on, if 2 students were declared failed, then the result would have been 68%. How many students were in the class? So this is the percentage of passing children, and if 2 fail, then the percentage of passing children becomes 68%. So you have to find how many children are there in the class. Solution number 12. Let total number of children be X. We always assume that thing to be X which is unknown. So here total children are not known. Let it be X. How many students have passed? Like considering it as case number 1. 70% of the total children, that is 70% of X, 70 upon 100 X. How many students failed? 2. So if 2 students failed, then the pass percentage becomes 68%. So I have taken this as case 2. 68% of the total children, that is 68% of X, 68 upon 100 X. Now these are 3 things we have. We have to form an equation, and according to the equation, if 70% passed, it becomes 70 upon 100x, and if 68% passed, there are 2 children who are failing. So case 1, that is 70 upon 100x, minus case 2, that is 68 upon 100x, is equal to 2. 100 common, 70 minus 68 is 2. Keeping x here, taking 2 upon 100 to the other side, reciprocating it because it was being multiplied, reciprocated, and on cutting, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, we get 100. The value of X is 100. What is X? X was the total number of students. Therefore, total number of students is equal to 100. Question number 13. A man distributes the property among 2 sons and 1 daughter. Elder son receives 30%. That's the share of the eldest son. Younger son receives 25% of the remaining. Now what is this remaining? It means whatever from the total property the elder son has received, leaving that is the remaining property, and out of the remaining property the younger son is getting 25%, and after that whatever is left is given to the daughter. Daughter's share is 210 square meters, that's of the total property. You have to find first part the total property in square meters, and second part you have to find the percentage of the property she receives, that is the daughter receives. Okay, let's check the solution. Number 13. Let the total property be X, meter square, or you can write only X. Now elder son is receiving 30% of the property, that is 30 upon 100x. So what is the remaining? Now why we are finding remaining? Because younger one is receiving 25% of remaining. So we have to find remaining before that. Remaining means total property. Beta, this is X. This is X. Total property minus the share of the elder son, which is 70 upon 100x. Now we have done it in this way. 100 into x is 100x minus 30x is 70 upon 100x. So younger son is receiving 25% of the remaining property. That is 25 upon 100 of remaining 70 upon 100. So here what did I do? I have cut the 0 and 0, and then I didn't, like, although I can cut this, but I tried to keep the base in the power of 10. 25 into 7 is 175 and 100 into 10 is 1000x. That's the share of the younger son. And daughter is receiving the remaining. Now remaining means total property minus the share of the elder son and minus the share of the younger son. Now here LCM, there is no denominator here, putting 1 and LCM and then subtracting the values. 525x upon 1000, that's the share of the daughter. But they have also given that daughter is receiving 210 square meters, which can also be written as 210 meters square. According to the question, this is the share of the daughter in actual figures and this is the share of daughter in the term of x. So both are equal. So 525 upon 1000x is equal to 210. X is equal to 210 into reciprocating it, like taking 525 upon 1000 to the other side, reciprocating the value of x is 400. So what was the first part? What is the total property? So total property was x, that is 400 square meter or 400 meter square. Then second part was to find the percentage of daughter's property. Now there are two ways of doing it. Daughter's share is 210 square meters and directly daughter's share upon the total property into 100. That is on cutting 22105. So you get 105 upon 2, changing it to mixed fraction 525 1 by 2 percentage, or changing in decimals. Now when I do question in two different, like I give two different answers, you have to write only one. Whichever you are comfortable writing, you can choose that. The second way of finding the daughter's share is 525 upon 1000x. 525 upon 1000x. Sorry, this is 52.5%. Multiplying it with the value of, okay. So to find the share of daughter, this is the second way. You have to find the percentage. So 525 upon 1000, and for finding the percentage, it's multiplying by 100. So you can do it in any one way. Prefer using this method. Question 14. A man was allotted a rectangular plot and the measure is 220 meters into 15. So measure length and that's the breadth. On measuring, he found that length is decreasing by 10% and the breadth is increasing by 15%. This is the dimension given, but on measuring, the length reduced and the breadth increased. So you have to find the percentage increase in the area. Solution 14. Dimensions of the plot, 20 meters into 15. The longer the length, shorter the breadth. So area was L into B, because rectangular area formula is L into B. 20 into 15, that's 300 meter square. Dimensions found on measuring. The length decreased by 10%. So length was 20 meters. Decreased means minus 10% of 20 meters. That is the measurement of the length. 20 minus 10 upon 100 into 20. Here 10 and 10, 10 and 10. So 20 minus 2, that is 18 meters. This is the new dimension, the actual dimension. Breadth increased by 15%. Breadth was 15. Increase means adding 15% of 15 meters. 15 by 100 into 15. If you want to cut, you can cut. Otherwise, you can keep in the terms of x also, base as 100 also. 5, 3 and 520. 5, 4 and 5, 2. Sorry, 5, 3 and 5, 2. 3, 3 is a 9 and denominator is 4. Sorry. 15 plus 9 upon 4. LCM, that is, you will get 69 upon 4, and in decimal terms, it's 17.25 meters. So that's the length. This is the breadth. Area is L into B, that is 18 into 17.25, which is 310.5 meter square. That was the length with the area with the dimensions given, and that's the area which was found on decreasing and increasing the length as well as the breadth. So what is the increase in area? 310.5 minus 300, that is 10.5 meter square. I've just shown how to subtract because there are many children who don't know how to subtract a decimal number and a non-decimal number. Say it's a decimal number and this is a non-decimal number. Just put 0 decimal at the end and then put a 0 after that and then subtract. Next, percentage of increase in area. The formula is increase upon the original area multiplied by 100. Increase is 10.5. Original is always the first value that you get, that is 300, and into 100. Now again 2 zeros and 2 zeros gone. 10.5 you divide by 3, it's 3.5%. Or if you want to get, you can give your answer in mixed fraction also. That is 3 1 by 2%. Last question, number 15. There are two parts. Part number 1. Number is increased from 225 to 275. You have to find the percentage of increase. And second part, number is decreased from 300 to 231. Find the percentage of decrease. Okay, let's check first part. Number is increasing from 225 to 275. So the first value is the original. That's the original number. This is the new number. So what is the increase? 275 minus 225, that is 50. And the percentage of increase is the formula increase upon the original number multiplied by 100. Increase is 50. Original number is, the first value is always the original value, 225 into 100. Now let's check the cutting part. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. 5 2 and 0. 5 9s are 45 and 5 4. 50 into 4 is 200 upon 9. Change it to mixed fraction. 22 2 upon 9 percentage. Let's see the second part. Number is decreasing from 300 to 231. This is the original number. This is the new number, which is the decreased one. So what is the decrease? 300 minus 231, which is 69. And to find the percentage of decrease, same formula. Decrease upon the original number multiplied by 100. Decrease is 69. Original number is the first number multiplied by 100. Now for the cutting part, 2 zeros and 2 zeros gone. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. That is 23%. So with this, we finish the second exercise also. Thank you, children.